So congratulations everyone. Yeah. So marami na excited for this Love You So Bad. Yung question ko na lang is to Will, to Bianca, and to Dustin. Kumbaga, Love You So Bad, fill in the blanks. If you will remove the so bad, alambawa, si Will, ano yung love you, blank, yan. Love you, Bianca, yung blank, Bianca.
So if it's a phrase na so bad, think of a different phrase. Love you, blank.
And then si Dustin to Bianca also. And Bianca to both Dustin and Will. Fill in the blanks.
Presentation tayo.
Sorry. Dugtungan yung love you, removing the so bad. Start with Will siguro.
Kaya mo yan, Vic.
Love you, bro.
Love you.
You are. Just the way you are.
Mahirap yan. Tanong mo. Kahit ako nag-iisip ako, kunyari for direct mail, for sign, nag-iisip ako.
This is yung not your character, but in real life.
In real life ba?
Yeah.
Paano for example, a direct mail, love you my bestie. Parang gano'n. Those are two words. Diba? So,
not necessarily 2 words siguro, no? Kahit one lang.
one sentence.
Paragraph.
Let's give them the freedom to think kung anong ilang words, 2 syllables, sabi ni Cyril. Diba?
Siguro habang nag-iisip sila, may tanong lang ako kay Direct May.
Okay, let's skip muna that.
Habang nag-iisip sila. Direct May, nung ipinalabas to dun sa MMA representation, di ba? Parang talagang grabe yung tilian. Nakasaling Love You So Bad dun sa MMFF, di ba? Tapos, grabe, palakasan ng tili yung Wilka dun sa Dust Bia, di ba? Yan, is there any pressure on your part na give them kumbaga equal scene or equal parang presentation ng this movie na hindi magagalit yung fans? Bakit mas maraming magandang scene kay Wilka kaysa kay Dustin? Parang ganun.
Actually, when we were filming it, may tali ako. Nakailangan ng ganyan na. Wait, yung scenes ni ganyan. As in, really, we're counting. And then, parang ibinabalanse namin.
Tama naman.
It's not so much yung parang yung thinking of, of course, we're considering, syempre, they have a huge following and that's a major consideration, that it's going to be fair. There's equal exposure and it's balanced. But more importantly, ang sinundan namin ay yung kwento. Kailangan pa rin syempre na, the story is really what is most important here. But it's always, as in, we're always checking, pag nag-creative meeting kami, wait, balansehin natin. It has to be fair, ganyan, wait, too much na ba yung ganito? But, we tried our best to really balance it and to make, of course, the fans, the supporters happy without compromising the story.
Matutuwa or maiinis ba? May maiinis ba na fans at may matutuwa sa ending ng movie?
Sa ending, abangan nyo na lang, watch na lang kayo. Pero ito meron siyang portion talaga na mabamaos yung, kunwari, yung isang team, tapos nun pwedeng tahimik muna yung kabila, and then biglang mamamaos yung kabila. Palit, may rest time kayo. So, pwede mag-rest sa mga throats nyo. Kinonsider namin yun. Ayaw naman namin na all throughout sumisigaw kayo. So, pero by the end of the movie, I assure you, kailangan nyo ng lozenges. At kailangan nyo ng ng tubig to clear your throats kasi sisigaw at sisigaw kayo. Huwag lang kayo magkasakitan, please.
Thank you, Direk. Ayan, back to the question. Siguro naman nakaisip na sila.
Will,
alam mo, wala si AJ Ray bukas.
who wants to go first? Kung sino may naisip na?
Birthday ng mami ng girlfriend. So, matatanda.
Baka si Bianca meron na dun sa dalawa.
Oo, pupunta si Fran.
Ako siguro not as myself, as Savannah.
Okay.
As Savannah, madali lang naman. Love you, my savior. And love you, Mr. Sungit.
Pwede. Will, ikaw. Dustin.
As character.
Pwede, go ahead.
As character. As character, ha?
Ulit ha, narinig ka naman namin.
Market
Ako,
daw.
As character ha.
As character, ha? As character. Kung ako si LA ngayon, sasabihin ko kay Vanna ay, makinig ka naman sa akin.
Listening to you, I'm always listening.
Ang masasabi ko lang sa'yo ay, love you forever.
As character yan. As character yan. Will, ikaw na lang.
Tapatan mo daw yun, Will.
As character din. Ano sasabihin ko sa'yo, Savannah? I love you to the moon and back.
Alright, thank you Ana. Oy,
Thank you. Okay na yan.